The next bioenhancer which I am going to show is Sasya Gavya. Now Sasya Gavya contains 4 ingredients. One is cow dung, one is cow urine, one is any plant waste. Here in this case I am taking glyricidia leaves and then water. So the proportion is 1:1:1:2. That means we are taking half a kilo of cow dung. That means half a kilo of cow dung, half a liter of gomutra, half a kilo of glyricidia leaves, crushed glyricidia leaves, and 1 liter of water. So I will just show you how we prepare that. Okay. Now we are taking half a kilo of cow dung. Okay, half a kilo of cow dung, half a liter of gomutra, we are taking half a kilo of plant waste or glyricidia. Here we are taking glyricidia. That is roughly half a kilo is, it's a very light thing. One thing full. So this is around half a kilo of glyricidia leaves. So that we just crush it. Okay. Okay, half a kilo, and then 1 liter of water. Now this has to be mixed well. Glyricidia has got 2 advantages. One is, it has a high content of nitrogen. The plant contains nearly more than 28% nitrogen. So for those plants where you require more of nitrogen content, we can use this. It will be a fantastic growth booster. It will give a good boost to the plant. Another thing is the plant contains, basically a plant contains 1.5% of its body weight is nitrogen. That is other than the frame elements, which are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, which contains 96% of the plant weight. The next most important plant weight is gained by nitrogen. So nitrogen we require plants like we have to take some legume, or we have to take glyricidia, we can take subabul, some plant like that, or we can use asola, something like that to make up. When we mix that, we are using it for sanjeevani. Here I have taken glyricidia. So then we mix it like this. It has to be properly mixed. Morning, evening, the procedure is the same, clockwise, anti-clockwise for 4 to 5 minutes. This requires more time to digest. Unlike 7 days, you have to keep it for 10 days. So on the 11th day, you have sanjeevani or Sasya Gavya ready. So the concentration is same. We don't use this for seed treatment. We use this only for spraying on the plant for the growth, or along with the irrigation water. Both sanjeevani and Sasya Gavya can be used along with irrigation water also. Here the concentration is somewhat the same for plants. For those plants which are less than 30 days old, we give a 5% spray, and for plants which are more than say 1 month old, we give 10% spray. That is 100 milli per liter. The other is 50 milli per liter. This is sanjeevani, Sasya Gavya. This also contains a very high number of microbes, because the microbes react. The cow dung will react with the food it has. That is, it has got very rich food, because this is a nitrogenous plant. So they multiply in huge numbers, and they contain it will contain 1 raised to 11, nearly 1 raised to 11. that will be the microbial strength per milliliter of this solution. So this also contains say pseudomonas, so azoospermillum, acetobacter, all these they contain most of the things because they are available in cow dung. So this is another thing which I have shown. It's very simple, it is also very cheap because you will get this agriculture waste anywhere, and you can use that with cow dung, cow urine and water and make a simple preparation. So it's a very cheap, in say you don't have a cost for preparing this.